In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the filters pane. Understanding how to work with filters is crucial for those of us who need to manipulate and analyze data efficiently. So, let's dive right in and get started with this simple yet essential process. First things first, you'll want to select the card visual. This is an easy approach to begin filtering your data, as selecting the card set the stage for engaging with your data in a more dynamic way. Picture the card as the foundation upon which you'll build your specific filter settings. Simply locate the card visual on your interface. Once you have identified it, click to select it. Selecting the card is important for the next steps because it indicates which set of data you will be applying the filters to. Now, let's open the filters pane. This step is the bridge to tailoring your data view according to what you need to analyze or demonstrate. To do this, you look for a specific icon or menu, typically located on the side or bottom of your workspace, which might be marked clearly as Filters. Click this icon, and the Filters pane should appear on your screen. This pane is your main workspace for sorting data, and interacting with it will allow you to see your dataset from numerous different angles. Once the Filters pane is open and visible on your screen, it's time for the third step, dragging the card onto the filters pane. Click and hold the card you selected earlier, then drag it over to the filters pane. This process of dragging the card over to the right spot on your interface indicates that you want the filters to apply to this card visual in particular. Upon releasing the card onto the pane, you're essentially creating a connection between your visual data card and the filter system, letting the filter know exactly what to target. So, to sum it up, first, you select your card visual to set a focus, then open the filters pane to gain access to different filtering options, and finally drag that card into the pane to ensure that your specific visual is what gets adjusted. By following these steps, you ensure a seamless process of opening and utilizing the filters pane effectively, helping in transforming your data view to better suit your analysis needs. Following these clear steps will enable you to master this part of data manipulation with ease. Stick around on our channel for more tutorials, and happy data filtering!